Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andriansyah Bayu. I'm from Polytechnic State of Negeri Malang. I'm from uh, electrical development. Uh, and now I want to presentation to biogas renewable energy from livestock manure. Yes. What is the biogas? Biogas is energy produced from organic waste such animal manure or kitchen waste such vegetable that have been used. Thus, these wastes will go through decomposition process called an anaerobic digester in airtech room. The main component of this biogas energy maintenance CH4 and carbon dioxide CO2, but gas can be burned or oxidized and release energy, and that energy can be utilized by human for daily needs. However, on the magnitude of the gas component depends on the anaerobic process and the composition of the raw material for making biogas energy. The greater the maintenance content of biogas energy, the greater the energy that can be produced from the biogas. And next, uh, I have a concept idea for uh, of biogas. In Indonesia, it is synonymous with livestock, especially cattle, both dairy cow and cattle for consumption. For example, the larger population of dairy cattle is East Java province. The problem, 90% use cow dung biogas only for cooking. Even though is know that livestock manure has the potential to produce electricity, which will be useful for meeting electricity needs on a small or village scale. The purpose of this study is to find out how the relationship between methane gas production and electricity production is plotted. The final result show the increased biogas volume meter cubic up and down, which influenced by the accumulation of gas volume by meter cubic and the digester from room temperature um, Celsius and the rate of consumption of biogas volume will increase if the electricity load will continue afresh. In other case, there is a tendency for the greater the electrical load. It turned out that there is abnormality in the need for biogas consumption, which then to remain constant. And this is influenced by the temperature which start to be constant. Mm, why why to choose for biogas? Because the more population in the world, the higher the need for energy use. If we continue to use fossil energy, then over time that energy will run out. Therefore, now many countries are starting to develop biogas energy as a substitute for fossil energy. Two reasons biogas can be used as alternative energy. Number one, biogas does not use material from fossil, so this biogas can maintain the availability of energy for the community. Number two, biogas utilize waste the forms from animal waste, so that it can help reduce animal waste. Now, advance of using biogas. One, the process is environmentally friendly because it is made from organic material such as animal waste. Number two, can save energy use because it is not made from fossil material. Three, the process of using biogas does not emit smoke. Four, more economical and efficient. Five, the main ingredient for making biogas are easy to obtain because they use animal waste and organic waste. Number six, meanwhile, the obstacle to the use of biogas include seven, the biogas development process is expensive. The last requires skilled personnel in the development process. This is what makes the use energy tends to be limited. Hmm. This is a simple concept of energy conversion from biogas to the electricity. The conversion of electrical energy from biogas is done by changing the exciting potential energy in biogas into mechanical energy, then mechanical energy into electrical energy. Election technology is carried out on one of the energy conversion technologies available on the market. Exercise, namely, is generator. This is a picture from generator use biogas. Yes. And this part of biogas production scam of production biogas. This is a picture in Indonesia text, and I want to translate in English. Yes, this is schema for production biogas. This is entry point for biogas material. Uh, for the material to the biogas. This is name the digester or fermentation place. This is stirrer stirrer from for to the material biogas in the digester. Nice. There is a place where the biogas material will be mixed, and then closed quickly and left for a certain time to produce biogas, which is commonly called the fermentation process. Nah, after going through the fermentation process, it will produce gas which will be followed to the gas reservoir. This is a gas reservoir for waste in the from the tracks from the fermentation process. It can be reached of organic filter. This is uh, tricks from fermentation process can be reused as organic fertilizer. The gas uh, the gas product in the gas reservoir can be used directly as needed. Um, Biogas in the reservoir can be can be needed to the something sample to the stove stove for the cooking in the kitchen, uh, and number one from to electricity to the generator for electricity. And the last future goal from me, it is hope that biogas will become one of the main alternative energies for the people of Indonesia in the future, and can be one of the effort to protect the earth from global warming. Enough presentation from me, and thank you. One change. Shopping at the market to be stove, self-worth, and self-love. Thank you.